Just want to show you the stereo cable here. I like that this is a braided cord. Makes it very flexible. Has the tip up here that protects it from bending, so it isn't going to break off there. A lot of cheap cords do not have a protector device to really protect them there from pulling them out and those things. So usually when I pull them out, I pull out from here, but it's a nice, you can also kind of grip it there. It goes into your jacks really nice. It stays put as well. So it's gold, great conductor of your needs there. And yeah, I like this cord. I like the braided cord. A lot of the stereo cords I had before were just encased more in a plastic type casing. This feels really good. Hooking up to my guitar pedals, plugging it into my amp, and even hooking up dual amps for your stereo sound, which this is a stereo cable. So just wanted to show it to you. Works great, perfect. Comes in a 2-pack, which I really like, and long enough for my needs as well. So yeah, I really like this and haven't had any issues with them whatsoever, and really enjoy them.
Tried to love it. He said, Aaron, you in the world. Don't be of it. I swear, cause I made that river. I know what it is right now. You don't know the cost. No. Take me to church every Ash Wednesday. Every 15 the first pray that the rent paid. Everyone that supports, I don't know about coincidences, but I know what this is. His will, blood spilled. I ain't talking no horror films. I can tell you how the story is. And you still know the story to tell. And I know life short is, but I haven't got more for sale. I know Grammy in there right now, just waiting for the king to unveil.
Este es el cable que no funciona. Simple y sencillamente no suena. No es que esté roto ni nada, solo no suena. El otro cable funciona perfectamente. Solo voy a devolver este. Y no sé cómo puedo hacer el reembolso, si me puedan mandar otro cable. Preferiría otro cable funcional. Gracias.